Hello friends, most welcome to our channel Hindi Techniques 2. Friends, today we are going to discuss how you can fix your connection is not private error. Friends, whenever we use Google Chrome browser, many time we face some errors just like your connection to this site is not secure, your connection is not secure, your connection is not private. So we face these type of errors. So friends, in this video, I gonna tell you how you can fix these errors. So friends, let's start the video. But before starting, I request you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button that you see in red circle. So friends, let's start. First of all, open the browser and type here hinditechniques.com. hinditechniques.com, hinditechniques.com. This is our official website and we uploaded here many types of technical solutions post. So friends, follow this website from here. So friends, open the first post, 5 unbelievable ways to fix your connection is not private Chrome and your connection to this site is not secure errors in 2021. Friends, you can open this post from our video's description link. From there you can directly open this post. So friends, scroll down. And friends, today we are going to tell you that whenever you use Google Chrome browser, you get an error, your connection to this site is not secure. Just like you can see in this image, not secure, and also you can see this image, your connection is not private. So how can you solve these errors? Scroll down. Whenever a browser show your connection is not private, there can be two reasons behind it. Friends, when your browser show this error, there are mainly two reasons. The first reason is that if some features are blocked in our browser, then our browser show this error. And the second reason is that maybe the SSL certificate of the website you are opening has expired. This is also a very big reason. SSL certificate has been maybe expired. So today we are going to tell you 5 such ways to solve your connection is not private and your connection is not secure errors, which probably no one has told you guys. If this error comes with you too, stay on our blog. We are going to tell you 5 easy ways. The method number 1 is, first you click where not secure appears in your browser. Click here. You can see in this image not secure. Click on not secure and go to the site setting, just like this. Open any website. This is a website, our government website, edisha.gov.in. So go to in this panel and go to site setting and reset the permission in site setting. Here is a option reset permission. Click on this reset. After reset all the permissions, you must be allow all these blocked option. Here is blocked. Allow the all options. Only two options must be blocked. First is ads, block from here, and second is automatic download, block from here. Only do these two things only and cut this tab and refresh the website. After refreshing, website is not open in secure mode, then we are trying to next method. Our method number 2 is, if your problem is not solved, you can try second method. The second method is, first you open the browser setting, then scroll down. Browser setting is here in 3 dots. Click on 3 dots and setting is here. So go to the browser setting. These all are browser setting. Then after opening the setting, clear all browsing history and erase all cookies. After that, you refresh your browser and then check whether your browser open in safe mode or not. Even if your browser does not open in secure mode, you will have to use method number 3. So we will go to browser setting and search here cookies. You can see here clear browsing data from here and clear all cookies from here. After that, close this tab and refresh the website. But our website is not open in secure mode at all. So friends, we will try to solve this problem by the method number 3. Method number 3 is, if your problem is not solved, you can try third method. The third method is, if you have faced your connection is not private, then something like this will look. Scroll down and you can see here your errors look like this. Your connection is not private. So scroll down and you can see here advanced option. So click on advanced. After clicking advanced, now click on advanced and you will see new options like below. You see here proceed to www dot and our websites. So click on this proceed to our website. When you click on proceed, now click on proceed to unsafe. Then you will see that your website has been opened and you can do your work on it. But this method is a bit unsecure because you cannot do any sensitive work on it because it run in unsecure mode. In this mode, someone can read and edit your informations like a mediator. So be careful and don't do any sensitive work on this browser after using this method. If you want to do any sensitive work, then wait for our next method. So our next method is method number 4 and it is very important method. How to bypass your connection is not private error. So by using this method, we can bypass this error. So our fourth method is to solve your connection is not private and your connection is not secure, is that if you using Google Chrome browser and you face these errors, then go to URL section of the browser and see HTTPS is available or not available. You must be replace it by HTTPS. So this HTTPS is not available, so your website is not open in secure mode because HTTPS is not present in your URL. So you can see here edisha.gov.in and you can also see here edisha.gov.in, but HTTPS is not present here. And after pasting HTTPS edisha.gov.in and website will open in secure mode. Let me show you how you can do it. edisha.gov.in, but HTTPS is not present here. So open any website. In our website you can see here HTTPS and these two slash, copy from here and fix before edisha.gov.in and paste here HTTPS and enter. After entering, you can see here your site will open in secure mode. So this is a very important trick and you can use this trick in many of the website. So scroll down. When you paste HTTPS, not secure will be removed from the URL of the website and your website will open in secure mode. In this way, you can remove not secure error very easily, friends. And after that, our fifth method and last method is that even after using all these methods, if your error does not go away, then you will have to contact the owner of the website and ask them to renew their SSL certificate. Friends, SSL certificate is very important for the website because if a website SSL certificate is expired, then that website cannot open in secure mode in your browser. So friends, ask the website owner for SSL certificates. So friends, these 5 tricks is very useful. You can use these tricks to remove your errors. So friends, if you have any questions about these tricks and also you want to ask any questions about these tricks, you can comment me on this video and also you can join our Telegram group. The Telegram group link is given in my video's description. Okay friends, okay, bye.